Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing how we can write data from Excel to text file. Now I am having this data of Intel states and its capital. I want to write this data in text file. For that I have written the code inside command button click subroutine. So when the command button one is clicked, this code will be executed. Now I will explain you this code by executing it line by line. So first I am declaring the variables my file has string, rng has range, cell value has variant, and ing as integer. Now I am defining the path and name of the text file. Now I am giving the range to rng. Now I am opening the file, which is a text file, as hash1. Now this for loop will add the data from Excel to text file. So I am entering the data from Excel to text file cell by cell. Now this if condition is used to check whether we have to add comma or not, and it will keep on writing for all the rows. Let me put a breakpoint and let me press F5. So we have wrote all the data from Excel to text file, and I am closing the text file and enter. Now let me show you the text file. So this is the text file that we have generated from the Excel. Thank you.